On 31st January 2023, AZ Limited enters into agreement with an college renovation of building, including installation of a new air conditioner for transaction of 40 lakhs. The expected cost of this expected air conditioner is 12 lakhs, and other expected cost is 20 lakh, 32 lakhs. Also, EZ Limited purchased the air conditioner and they delivered to the site before 31st March. And EZ Limited uses the input method based on the cost measure progress towards completion of the contract. EZ Limited was incurred actual other cost, excluding air conditioner, 4 lakhs on 31st March. So, determine the revenue to be recognized as per the Ind AS for the year ending 31st March and performance obligations met over the time. The cost to be incurred in comparison of two major components, air conditioner and cost of construction service. The air conditioner is a part of the overall construction project and is not a distinct performance obligation. First, the air conditioner is substantial to the overall project and is incurred well in advance. Upon delivering the site, customer acquired control over the air conditioner. There is no modification done on the air conditioner, which the company only procures and delivers at site. Nevertheless, as part of the material used is overall construction project. The company is to principal the transaction and the customer for such air conditioner also. Therefore, applying the guidelines of input method, the measure of progress should be made before based on the percentage of cost incurred and relative to the total budget cost. The cost of air conditioner therefore exclude from the measuring such progress and revenue of the air conditioner should be recognized to the extent of cost incurred. So transaction price 40 lakhs, cost of construction 4 lakhs, other cost 12 lakhs, 40, 16 lakhs. Measuring problem is for 4 lakhs of 20 lakhs is 20 percentage. The revenue to be recognized. The cost incurred other than air conditioner. Total attributable only is 28 lakhs. Percentage of completed 20 percentage. The revenue to be recognition is 5 lakh 60,000. Mm. And revenue of air conditioner total revenue is 12 lakhs. 12 lakhs equal cost 12 lakhs plus 5 lakh 60,000, 17 lakh 60,000. So 12 lakhs to be incurred and 5 lakh 60,000 incurred. This 4 lakhs is how many percent? 20%. Why 4 lakhs? As you see now, expected cost is 20 lakhs. Out of that, 4 lakhs is incurred. So other expected cost. So that is 20% incurred. So 20 percentage total project is 28 lakhs. 40 lakhs minus 12 lakhs. 28 lakhs. 28 lakhs la 20% is 5 lakh 60,000. 5 lakh 60,000 plus 12 lakhs 17 lakh 60,000. Therefore, at the end of 31st March, company shall recognize a revenue of 17 lakh 60,000 on the project. Understand? So well.